We should ask.
It has no service
if
on
he
it?
wants to hang out.
712-251-7800.
Okay.
Hello, Mom. Why can't we talk? Do we want to sound like a professional situation? We're the phone finders in America.
Hi, my name is Rach.
Good morning.
Thunder Mifflin Paper Company?
Somebody at church.
Probably. His grandma.
Is that talking?
We get that unrecorded?
I hope so.
Do that on me.
Sinead, that was you?
In the Dutch oven. I thought it was yummy.
Is Jamie pooping for number 3 this morning?
She is because she's not the
You
way.
better watch it.
Hello, I was just calling because I found a Verizon phone in Ames, Iowa, in a pair of pants. And I was trying to find the owner, and you are the mother. Give this phone a call back if you want the phone.
Does that live in